Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have the Vanity Cask Shades of April edition to unbox and review in this video. As most of you already know, Vanity Cask is a luxury beauty subscription box priced at Rs 9.99 including shipping. But their long-term subscriptions of 3 and 6 months come with lots of offers and the box price goes as affordable as just Rs 600 including shipping for even the 3-month subscription. They have an amazing new exciting offer this month in which you can get a limited edition Vanity Cask box absolutely free. To know more details about how, stay tuned till the end. Now without any further delay, let's start unboxing.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
So this is how the package has reached me. Inside we have this brown cardboard box as usual, and on it says Vanity Cask and their website address. It is just the outer protective box. And inside we have a layer of bubble wrapping and the actual box. So this is how the box looks like as always, and this is one of my favorite boxes. I love these boxes. They're so classy, so pretty. It says Vanity Cask. And it has this dressing table. It looks very pretty. It's a very sturdy box. It reaches you in perfect condition, so you can store it on your vanity or for storing your makeup or anything. This is just perfect. It has a magnetic lid closure, and as always we get a proper info booklet, not an info card, which has all the details which we will go through towards the end of the video. But the edition this month is Shades of April, and then the classic pink satin pouch. It looks so luxurious, and I actually use these to separate whatever I store inside a box, especially for my jewelry. Like one of these has my bracelets and something like that. It is pretty good. Let's open and see what we have. So the first product here is from the brand Caffeine, and this is the Uplift Trans Caffeine Face Cream with Argan Oil and Vitamin E. So here is the entire ingredients list. It has vitamin E, argan oil, caffeine, seawood, calendula extract, glycerin, cream-based licorice extract, aqua-approved preservatives, fragrance and color. The directions for use are also mentioned, and the cost of this product is 209 rupees. So it is a full size of 25 ml. We know that Caffeine is paraben free and cruelty free. It has a second layer of packaging, and this is how the consistency of the cream is. It is a very lightweight cream, in between cream and lotion consistency. It's not runny, but it is not very thick as well. So it is good for summers, I feel. It had a nice cooling and soothing sensation on the skin. And contrary to my belief, it did not have a very strong fragrance as we usually find in Caffeine products. This actually had a nice, pleasant and very mild fragrance. It is not sticky at all, which I absolutely loved because I don't like oily and greasy face creams during summers especially. It got completely absorbed in my skin. As you can see, it did not leave any residue as such. So it is definitely a good face cream, a very good moisturizer for day-to-day use. You can use it in daytime or nighttime, and I feel this is especially good for matured skin because the ingredients have some anti-aging properties as well. And then we have a product from the Nature's Co, one of my favorite brands, and this is the Cool Cucumber Face Wash. It is from the Aqua Spark range. It is a 25 ml size, and I had actually used a Cool Cucumber body lotion that had an amazing fragrance. Let me check this one. As I was guessing, this has such a nice fragrance. It has such a refreshing fragrance of cucumber. Really amazing. I love the fragrance. So it expires in 2020, but I actually do plan to take it on my trip in April itself. Here are the ingredients and all the claims of the product mentioned. Nature's Co face washes are really good. I have used so many variants, but this is new and I'm definitely happy to receive this. The fragrance is just perfect around summers. I love it. Then along with the face wash, we have a travel sized body wash as well from the brand Sova. It is in the chamomile and kurgi narangi variant. For normal to dry skin, 30 ml size. This is how the consistency is. It is a gel-like consistency and a transparent kind of color. Cost of this product is 150 rupees. So this is not a sample. And here is the entire list of ingredients. They have mentioned everything that this product has, which I appreciate. So let me see how the fragrance is. It's a really nice fragrance. It has a bit of orange fragrance, as narangi is actually orange. Very refreshing, very pleasant and citrusy. Lift up your mood, so I definitely like it. Then in makeup we have this My Glam 2 of Your Kind nail paint. They have been sending this and I have been loving these nail paints. They are very nice gel finish ones. They make your nail paint look as if you have done some manicure. The shade I received this time is Confectionery 19 and the cost of this product is 390 rupees. It has 5 ml plus 5 ml product. And the shades are also very pretty this time. It's like tomato red with a very nice pink color, something that suits everybody. So I'm definitely happy with this too. And then we have two sheet masks from Monsub. I have used both of these and I can assure you that they are good. This one here is Deep Brightening and Whitening Beauty Facial Mask. Even though I don't believe in whitening, this mask actually does not make you fairer or something. It just brightens up your face and makes it a bit even toned. So you can definitely use it. The cost of this is 250 rupees and it is for single time use as well. All the ingredients and the usage details are mentioned here. So here it says suitable for rough, dull, yellow and wrinkly skin and skin with spots and uneven color. So that's what I was mentioning. It might lighten your spots a bit and make your skin look even toned. You know, get rid of tans and all. And this one here is the 3-in-1 mask. It's the 3D hanging ears, face and neck mask plus essence series, and the variant we have got is Pearl Revitalizing. In the claims it says lightening, brightening, revitalizing, lifting and firming. It has vitamin C essence for lightening your spots, but vitamin C as such brightens your face and makes it even toned. So I feel these two are good around the summers when our skin gets tanned a lot. So we can use this to get our own complexion back. So this is how the mask would look. It covers the neck, ears and everything, along with your face of course. Expires in 2020 and the cost is 250 rupees again. I don't know where it is. Yeah, it's mentioned here. Cost is 250 rupees. We have all the details, usage and ingredients etc. which you can go through before applying the product. Now let's quickly go through the booklet. Here are the products mentioned, the curation story, details about the body wash, the face wash, some pictures. Then we have got two sheet masks, the M Caffeine face cream. I felt this is the star product in this month, and the nail paint of course. So that was all in my April Vanity Cask box. Now coming to the offer part, firstly if you go for a 1-month subscription, you can get an additional product free with this box by using the coupon code APSOMA. But I will highly suggest going for a 3 or 6 month subscription, because if you use the code APSOMA along with the free product, you will get the Vanity Cask limited edition bestsellers box containing all these 6 luxury products. So an entire free box and a free product. And of course the long-term subscriptions are way more cheaper. Even if you go for just a 3-month subscription, it is priced at 2399, and since you will get 3 + 1 free box, that is 4 boxes, the per box price comes to just 600 rupees. So you pay just 600 rupees per box even if you go for the 3-month subscription now. It was there for only 6-month subscriptions earlier, but I am so happy to announce that it is available for even 3-month subscriptions now. That is totally awesome considering they are such a luxury subscription box. I love their box, their packaging, the products are quite expensive sometimes. So it is definitely worth going for a 3-month subscription since we have the mind-blowing offer now. So if any of you are interested in ordering the Vanity Cask box, all details are mentioned in the description box below along with the website link, that is www.vanitycask.com, and the coupon code APSOMA. Don't forget to use the code to get the most out of your purchase. You will also find the links to the giveaways running on my channel, so make sure you check it out. It's very simple. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and you can be the lucky winner of the April Zobag or Zobag Mini. It has products around almost 3000 rupees, so don't miss your chance. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. It is absolutely free. It will make me really happy, and I will bring to you amazing offers like these in the upcoming months and videos. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.